In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to the Tableau community. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone who's just getting started, joining the Tableau community is your gateway to connecting with other data enthusiasts, accessing resources, and enhancing your skills. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, to kickstart your journey, you'll want to navigate to the Tableau community page. If you aren't sure where to find it, simply type in Tableau Community in your web browser search bar, and it should be among the top results. This is your starting point, the hub for everything Tableau, where you can find forums, blogs, and discussions about all things data. Once you've arrived at the community page, your next step is to locate the login option. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page, marked conveniently as Login. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the sign-in area where existing users and new users will have different options. For those who are new to Tableau, there's an opportunity to create an account. Look for the Create an Account link on the login page. This is an important step because, in order to engage fully with the Tableau community, you'll need your unique credentials. The account creation process is typically straightforward. Follow the prompts provided, and you'll be asked to fill out some basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, you might need to verify your email address as part of the account creation process. Make sure you check your inbox for a confirmation email from Tableau and follow the necessary steps to complete your sign-up. It's a crucial part of ensuring your new account is active and ready to go. Now, if you're already an existing member, signing in is a breeze. Head back to the login page and enter your email and password in the designated fields. It's always a good habit to double-check your email for typos and ensure your password is entered correctly, especially on a trustworthy device or network to maintain security. Once you've input your information, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. That's it. You are now logged into the Tableau community. In conclusion, signing into the Tableau community is an essential step to becoming part of a vibrant group of like-minded data professionals. Whether you're exploring tools for the first time or looking to expand your network, the Tableau community offers a rich ecosystem for learning and collaboration. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your data journey.